my fellow duders. Today is the 26th of December, and that means Christmas is over, but it's not over for us because we are sucked. It's 11:25 in the morning, and we just eaten breakfast. Kampong style breakfast, which consists of meat and pork and meat and pork and so let's just show now. Just in case there are some little dogs outside. Nana! Just in case there's some little dogs outside. Let's go. We're outside now, and I was right. Look at that burger. Oh. Alright, before that. Nana. Help me open this. Okay, you hold it. I'll hold something first. Okay, you turn. You're not gonna drink that. Where's the dog? I don't know. The thing you suddenly bite. Oh, there it is. Hey there, buddy. Oh, I think. Wait, let's see the dog in the back. Oh, there's another bugger. Hey there. Oh my God, there's another bugger. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry, they won't bite. They're like really beautiful dog. Big cute toe and little Naniaka. Very cute. And this is the mother and this is the father, I think. Don't run. Okay, yeah, yesterday there was like a very sick dog. I think it's about to die. It couldn't move. It was paralyzed. And it was lying right over there. What the fuck? Where'd it go now? Okay, now it's dead. It was literally lying over there. It was very sick. It was about to die. They said they gave it a few shots, but it didn't work. But now it's gone. Oh, look at those chickens. Why would someone shoot the dog? If someone shoots the dog, I'll shoot them. Right, let's see it in this. You can open it. And these are the squat toilets. This used to be a home for the turtles, but there's no more turtles in there. And this is usually where people take a bath or whatever. We have to lock it. Oh God. Ah, right. Where the father go? Oh, over there. There you go, buddy. Don't catch out them. They won't disturb you. Poor dog. Hey, hello, Buggy. Oh, dragonfly. Hello, Buggy. Hello, Buggy. Hello, Buggy. Hello, handsome. Oh, Ria. Baby. Let's go to the back. Let's see what we can see out there. Oh, kitties, fish. Oh, go. Look at that.
Black and white one, and then the one is light brown.
Hello, you cutie pie.
Hello, cutie.
Hey, cutie. Oh, so cute.
I don't
Oh, big
have
doggo.
any kittens.
Why would there be kittens in the kampong? This is only a dog. Oh my God. Why is the lighting so bad though? Because if you look closely, you can see how cute it is. Look at it, look. Oh, dang. Oh, poor doggo. Oreo dog. Kanana. Oh, there's a big mama. Oh, never mind, Reno. There's a big mama. Look at these two. Oh! Hi, father. Hi, papa. Bye, papa. Alright, so the only two of the puppies are here. Let's go. Ah! Oh, I almost fell down this stupid drain again. Careful, lah. Look at these plants. And this is the rubbish bin, I guess. This is the spiky plant. Look at that. The spiky plant. More spiky plants. Everywhere is spiky plants. Oh, I think they already took the plants away. I don't know. There used to be a big jungle over here. We came here yesterday, but this is pretty cool.
Let's see the turtle.
Hello, Daddy. Oh, ass. I think I've showed you this before, but never mind. All the fish is gone. Her big tank. The washing. Okay, no. The duck seems normal, you know. Okay, let's just go through the... Oh, I don't see anything. I think it's just garbage water. This is the place we put the food to feed the dogs. And that is total grossly. Ew.
Where's the pig?
There used to be 3 puppies kept here, but there's no more puppies, I guess. Hello, mommy!
Hello, girls. Hello, Dad. Hello, mommy. Because
See 2 ducks, 1 rooster.
that rooster. You did.
Oh! Feeding time. Oh!
Oh. 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 And then me. And then me.
Kain betul mo.
And then me.
What the?
Oh.
Oh, where you wanna go? Okay.
Want to eat one.
See, he's drinking water. Look at it, buddy.
Want to. Oh, inside there.
Wait, what? Oh, there's another guy inside there. Look at that. Look at that.
Like a tiny house.
Wait, what? No. Yeah? Buah, mana? Oh, rambutan. Wow, so many. Oh my god. What the fuck? Look at how fast it's eating. Oh, look at the... And then we eat the ducks. Sweet. Oh, oh. Did you guys see that? Did you guys even see that? Oh! He's so small. Look at it. The spiky volleyball.
You want to cut?
What? Yo. Well, aren't you a eater? There's a baby. I think you should wait for it to grow bigger so you can just, you know. Oh, now it's coming out. You see, it's coming out.
Oh, the food.
Oh, he's eating. He's eating. He doesn't want to eat. I think those are the mother ducks. They are supposed to have eggs this time, and that one is drinking water. That one loves to drink water. And then after a while, we eat those ducks. Poor duckies.
That one and then me.
Yeah, I know. You don't want to eat, they eat lah.
Mommy? Yeah. Oh my god.
Can you just look at how the white one and the black one eats? Just... Oh, look at that. Cock, 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 cock. Eee, it's so cute. Look at that duck. Just
I
looking
almost
at it.
want to eat this one thing.
And that duck keep on drinking water. And that duck doing nothing. And that duck here grooming itself. And those ducks. And that duck. That's the lonely duck. Lonely duck.
Don't have friends.
He doesn't want to have friends because he likes to drink water.
Only friend is a water. Water is friend.
So I think those are
I
like...
see. Rambutan.
What, rambutan? Oh my god! There's some over there. How do people take it? Oh my god. 2 dragonflies were flying at each other just now like plunk, plunk. Look at those ducks just looking.
I almost want to eat this one.
Just eat it later. What does that duck here drinking water? That one. See that? Eh. I can't get enough of this. Where's Dandan? Oh well. Mama, get ya.
Why the feet?
Feet?
Yeah.
Ah, their feet are cute. Like plap, plap, plop, plop, plap.
Yeah, ducky.
These ducks are the village type of ducks which have things on their face, which is making me really unsettled. You don't want to eat the vegetables, boys? Wait, how do you know if those are boys or girls? Because he keeps shaking his butt, that's how. Oh, the where do you go now? Oh, he's eating the peas. Oh, look at that. He's looking at us. I just want to stay here the whole time. Dan, don't do that, Dan. They're triggering that. Oh god, they're all drinking water. You see now?
Why that one don't move just now?
I don't know.
Maybe.
What's that duck here? This one is not moving. Oh, it just moved. Never mind that. Nah, the water you splashed always scared when we go. There's like something really good we missed out on. And those so many durian seeds lah. They eat durian ah. Huh. Look at those ducks just standing. Wait, is that? Oh, never mind. It's not. Where'd the chicken go? Oh, shake your butt. Okay, shake your. What is that doing? See that duck? Oh, the wings went into the water. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, butterfly. Neat. Butterfly. Ah, you see that duck? You see that duck?
Why there's a proper over there?
Keropok? Who put that there?
And then everywhere over there.
How many? Okay, let's go. Let them do that thing. Let's go. So here's the rest of it. We went there already, so it's basically just one huge round. Yeah, just na. Let's see if the puppies are still there. The puppy's still there. I think we went away. Nana's go up. Let's hold ice again.
Put this one.
Hold it, Nana. Hold it. Nice. Okay, close. Oh, patay. Patay.
Buon pinne.
What do you mean almost? If you want to eat, just say you want to eat lah.
Get you over for me, please.
So that will be all for the morning vlogs. I'll see you guys later. Peace out and I love you.